Don't pretend like you can't fucking hear me. You've been with your stupid motorcycle all morning.
What's the matter with that?
Well, you spend more time with her than you do with me. That's the matter.
Are you getting jealous of her bike? What's wrong with you?
I just fucking told you, but like always, you never listen. What?
That goddamn girl.
What's the matter with you? You never listen.
Stop that.
Alright, I guess I'm gonna have to share you.
I'm sorry. I should have spent more time with you.